Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing the network and app state because most server did not respond errors are connectivity or client issues. First, test your internet speed and latency so you know baseline performance. Once done, force close PUBG Mobile and clear its cache. This removes corrupt temporary files. Next, update the app if an update is available and reboot your device and router or toggle airplane mode to get a fresh IP and DNS assignment. This often fixes transient server errors quickly. You now run deeper troubleshooting to remove middlebox issues and routing problems. Try switching to mobile data or a hotspot to see if the Wi-Fi path is the culprit. This isolates ISP or router problems. Then change your DNS to Google 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 because bad DNS resolution can prevent server connections. If needed, test a reputable low-latency gaming VPN, but make sure any firewall or security app isn't blocking the game's ports or network access. You finish by eliminating client corruption and local configuration issues. Reinstall or use the repair option in the game launcher while preserving your account. This replaces damaged files. Then reset your device network settings and confirm system time and time zone. Incorrect time can break secure connections. If the error persists, try signing into PUBG from a different device or account to rule out account/server locks. And if needed, gather logs and contact PUBG support with details so they can trace server-side problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.